This is Mayo. In this video, I'll be showing you where online to go to get knowledge about digital marketing. This is actually Google course, free online courses, and when you do this course, you can earn $1,000 per hour studying this course alone, because you learning this course, you are exposed to different topics. You're exposed to advertising knowledge, and you can set up campaign very well for Google. This is actually a course Google set up for advertisers. So you learning this course, studying it, and have their certificate. Once you're done studying it, Google will issue you certificate, and this will be your proof that okay, you have done online courses and you've earned certification from Google. Do you know what it means having certification from Google, the #1 search engine in the world? I mean, everybody wants somebody that has certificate from Google to advertise their product, because they know that okay, you have maximum knowledge about the algorithm of Google. So once you have this certificate and you go to like Upwork, Fiverr, and all these job agency website to set up your profile, and people can hire you, you can actually make up to $1,000 per hour with this course. So let's just dive into it. This is Google Ads. When you want to run ads for an agency, you want to run ad for companies like e-commerce companies like Amazon, GG, and other businesses that don't really understand how to set up adverts. So this is Google Ads certificate. And so they had applied Google Ads knowledge. This is built upon your Google Ads expertise. This is Google Ads search. This is Google Ads display. If you want to learn how to set up display ad, this is Google Ads video. All those ads you see on YouTube in between when you're watching a video, those are this ad. And this is shopping ads. This is Google Ads measurement. So there are a bunch of ads out there. So okay, let's assume I want to do this course now. So this is how it will look like. This is a Google Ads display certification. So once I clicked on this, Google will bring the interface. So these are the topic I'm going to study. I've actually did my, and I have earned certificates, and I'm able to set up my agency company where I can run ad for people and get paid. So these are the courses that I studied, and this is display prepare. Okay, Google Ads display. So let me show you my certificate. I don't know. Yes, this is Google Ads display certification, as you can see. So so once you are done studying the pack, then you will take exam. You will take exam. This is the exam. I've done mine, and then if you pass, you're going to be certified. If you don't pass, you have to wait for the next 24 hours to take the exam. Once you are done with the display ads, then you can go back to do the search ad. Search ad too has its own certificate, and when you do this, you earn about a lot of certificates that you can do. Then once you're done studying all this, you can literally choose the one you want to do, but the certificate you have will determine the work your companies want to give you. Once you have certificates in major advertising knowledge, so companies will be able to trust you with all their strategies. So, and there are other courses that you can learn, like Google Ads display. Okay, we've talked about this. Google Ads app for those who want to set ads on applications and all of that. So these are the courses for it. And I think there's another course. This one is on measurement. Yes, for measurement, how to measure campaign performance and all that. So there's another course that I think like analytics. I don't know where I saw this course. It should be here. Okay, let me just go back. Yes, Analytics Academy. So you can actually learn analytics to understand how Google do their thing, in order to be able to analyze your campaign, analyze your profit, your reports, and all that for your. This course is actually okay. You can make 1,000. Let me show you Upwork. When I go to Upwork and I typed Google Ads, you see what I get: $95 per hour. One setting up campaign alone. This one say $55. This one say $35. All these ones, I think they just started, but if you stayed long in the business, you can set your campaign $100. Nobody will question you because you know how it is and you know how effective you're going to run their ad. This one is 97. Okay, so this one is $32 per hour. And there's another website you can go. That's Fiverr. For me, Fiverr is everywhere. If you don't know Fiverr, you are not in this country. So when I type Google Ads on Fiverr, look at what I get. Okay, so look at. Okay, Google. Let me just retype it. Google Ads. Okay, see Google Ads. What's this? This one say $100 for setting up a campaign. Can you imagine? Let us check. $100 for setting up I will manage and optimize your Google Ads AdWords PPC campaign for $100. Can you imagine? $100. Ha, man, this is serious. So you can actually make much online with this certificate, and you can become Google partner when you run ads for people and you are certified. When Google merge everything together, you'll be able to qualify to be a Google partner and all of that. So I hope I have I've given you real value, and see you next time.